Hi, Bruce from Safari, and we're looking at a marine setup for a 51 enclosed Flybridge for Les Cowell. And this is using the new 24 volt Victron Slimline Lithiums. Look at them, they're 5,120 watt hours each. And the Lynx power distribution, but the new Lynx Smart BMS is running on here. And we're running it with two Scotties. So this is going to take 560 kilos of weight of AGM batteries out of the boat and put in its place a much more powerful system. Now, the way these Scotties are working is they're running the alternator control, and we're using the Wakespeed firmware in here for the alternator control. And it's going to drive from the 24 volt alternator, that's just to simulate it, up into the 24 volt bank, but it also drops down to the low side to the 12 volt bank. And these two here will deliver up to 500 amps at 12 volt because this boat is all wired up at 12 volt. So it allows us to have a single master power system at 24 volts. How good is that?